In this video, we will show you how to replace your cooling fan control module on this Ford Fusion with a 3.0 liter engine. This will be mounted directly to your cooling fan assembly. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we'll have to do is gain access to the mounting point, which is down in this area. Carefully reach down and release the wiring harness. It will have two locking tabs. Squeeze those two in towards each other and remove the wiring harness. Now once you have that wiring disconnected, just go ahead and give it a quick check for corrosion. If you see any, you need to make sure you take care of that. Go ahead and tuck that wiring aside for now. We'll continue on up along the top of the module. In this area is where you're going to find your one and only T25 Torx bolts holding this in place. Go ahead and remove it. The screw out of here. There's that. And now we can remove the unit. There it is, friend. Okay, let's get ready to install our brand new fan control module. Make sure you install it in the proper placement with having the connector port facing down. We're going to slide this area into the fan shroud itself, and then up along the top, we'll be continuing on with our one mounting bolt. Just carefully slide this into place. Once that mounting bolt is bottomed out, confirm that it's completely secured against the shroud. Make your way to the wiring harness. We're going to take this and put it in place along the bottom of the module. Press it into position and listen for a click from along both sides. There we are. Confirm along each side of the connector that the lock is completely secured and give the electrical harness a light tug. Okay, we finished installing our cooling fan control module. At this point, you want to start up the vehicle. Let it run for a while and get up to normal operating temperature. Eventually, the vehicle will reach the temperature where it kicks on the fans. Once the fans have kicked on, you know everything's functioning as it should, and you can close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.